Today, I'll show you how to undo changes on a selected element in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or just getting started, knowing how to quickly revert changes can be a lifesaver. Imagine you're working on a project and you accidentally adjust an element's alignment or make a change you're not happy with. Don't worry, Webflow makes it easy to undo those alterations. Let's dive right in and learn how you can master this simple yet crucial skill. First, head over to webflow.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, the central hub for all your Webflow projects. From here, you'll want to locate the All Sites option. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all your projects, giving you a bird's eye view of everything you're working on. Next, find the specific site you're looking to edit. Click on the site's thumbnail or title to open it. This will take you into the Webflow Designer, the powerful interface where all the magic happens. Once inside, you can see your site layout and elements ready for editing. Now it's time to select the element you want to work with. Let's say you've decided to make changes to a text block. Simply click on the text element within your design. You'll notice that the right panel in the Webflow Designer updates to show options specific to the selected element. This is where you can tweak various properties such as alignment and typography. Imagine you've clicked on the text and adjusted its alignment, perhaps moving it from left aligned to center aligned. But suddenly, you realize that wasn't the change you wanted. No problem at all. Webflow has a straightforward solution for this. To undo your last change, simply press Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard if you're using Windows or Command plus Z if you're on a Mac. This action will revert the element back to its previous state, effectively undoing your mistake. This keyboard shortcut is a powerful tool in your design arsenal, allowing you to quickly backtrack without losing your workflow momentum. It's especially handy when you're experimenting with different design options and want the freedom to explore without the fear of making permanent mistakes. And there you have it. You've just learned how to undo changes on a selected element in Webflow. Remember, this simple action can save you a lot of time and frustration, keeping your design process smooth and efficient. Keep practicing these steps and you'll become even more confident in navigating Webflow's design environment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider checking out more of our guides for additional tips and tricks. Happy designing and see you in the next video.